What's up, everybody? Welcome back to South Park, the Stick of Truth. So last time we moved into South Park and we discovered Koopa Keep, what is being led by the Wizard King, aka Cartman. So we survived an attack from the elves, but they took the Stick of fucking Truth from us. Now is my task to get it back. And we have to summon 3 other members. Crack. Oh no. Who was it? Tweak. Crack and Token. Okay. So first of all, as I raised the level, so I'm gonna look for new armor.
Guess I'm minding the shop now. You need any weapons or armor? Got some pretty good wares here.
Get back it in. I think Clyde's helmet. I won't be using it anymore. Adds 3 armor, reducing enemy attacks.
All yours.
Okay. KKK glow. That would be dark. Okay, and a weapon. Oh, I have it something stronger. The most crappily like stiletto in workshops. A lightning one. A scimitar, you say? So what is the strongest? I think I'm gonna use the warrior scimitar.
Good choice.
And I'm gonna sell some junk. Oh, come on, GameSpare! This game will be full of references. A fork, a rusty pipe, an old sponge, and 3 baseball cards. Wow, I have a lot of money already. Yeah, I'm gonna use this. Yeah, that looks nice on me. Bow of sucking. Warrior scimitar. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that might work. Wait, what is that? Oh no, the Timmy Express. Butters has body unlocked. Okay. Hello.
You kids be careful now.
Oh, I have Earl's friend. You leveled up as a new ability, spend upgrades.
This monster entered the home of Dr. Jeffrey O'Dwyer and struck him repeatedly in the head with his hammer. That monster is sitting right over there, and his name is Tony.
Oh, these are abilities and perks, I guess. New friends needed. So I need a lot amount of friends for new perks. I have 1 new ability. Assault and battery, improved betting. I'm gonna do that for now. Yeah. Is this like Cartman's room?
This is the king's room. I don't think we're supposed to be in here. What exactly are you looking for?
Oh, those are the water bears. Those are the water bears. I thought those were water bears. Mr. T.
What happened to this place? I don't recognize it anymore. It used to be
Too many minorities in my water park.
The dream is dead, our land is gone. There's a hole in my heart and
Holy
I can't
pissy.
go.
Oh yeah, that's one of his dolls.
There are too many minorities at my water park.
Cartman. Awesome! So many. Fate +1, the Myrrh plate, bear spray. Is that Coon? That's the Coon. You have to watch out about the coon in the next episode, next game. Okay. Oh, and that was when he was racist against the Chinese. Yeah.
And the lines just keep getting crazier.
Okay.
Mexicans are
Wow, Eric has a lot of cool stuff.
river has never
Yeah, he actually has, because he's spoiled as
better way to go
frick.
down one slot. And the
He's spoiled as fish stick. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Just to know, Eric Gortzman's mother is a yeah, is really sexual. Underpants guess Black Thunder, purple passion check. I'm gonna take all.
This is where the magic happens. Last week, Cartman's mom was here with a few men having a whole lot of magic. She was doing hand magic and butt magic.
My freaking god. Is that okay? Okay, this part I'm gonna make 18 plus. Oh boy.
This is where Cartman does magic. Smells like the wizard is brewing some potion in here. Some wizard stew. Oh, looks like he forgot to flush the stew.
Why? Why? Tell me, just tell me why. I'm gonna try it.
If it splashes, it means you get a free wish.
Let's try that again.
If it splashes, it means you get a free wish.
I don't know why I'm keep trying this.
If it splashes, it means you get a free wish.
One more time.
If it splashes, it means you get a free wish.
Nah, I think that's just to get an achievement or something. I'm not gonna try that. I heard that you get an achievement if you're like... Really? Okay, home, quests, home. You have 3 new friends. Right. Frick you, new kid. Things were fine until you showed up. I'll get you back for this, I swear. Butters, I'm supposed to donate most of my allowance since that's one of the rules of being a paladin. Anyone know who I'm supposed to give it to? Your king answered this tight. Paladin, come talk to me. Hey everybody, there's a new kid playing with us. And me and him are friends. That way nobody picks on him. I already have 4 friends.
We aren't allowed to go into the street. It's such an open world, our parents don't want us getting hurt.
Let's get inside Butter's house.
Behold, the residence of Butters the Merciful.
Butter's mom!
Butters really is a very sweet boy. I hope you'll treat him as you would a normal child. You'll like it here. The air is fresh, and there's always something to do to take your mind off things you wish had never happened.
Okay, the poop that took a pee, that's a book of Butter's words.
Ah, this must be the new kid.
We're playing,
You Facebooked
Dad.
me, right? Good for you. Butters, I hope you're teaching this new kid how to be popular.
I sure am, Dad.
He's gonna be popular.
Butters, I hope you're teaching this new kid how to be popular.
I sure am, Dad.
Okay.
There we are. And of course you can feel free to add flowers or maybe some
Cash, health potion. You know, one time, Butter's parents tried to sell him to Paris Hilton.
It's a good thing.
Those are horrible parents, really. Okay.
Welcome to my room.
Okay. Professor Chaos! I love Professor Chaos.
Those are my minions. They help me punish society.
Yeah, his minions are hamsters. Yeah, that's an old one. Boobs, yeah. Okay, their parents' room. Stutch's garage key. Oh my god. Small locket. Yeah, fractured bulb. Can I make weapons? I doubt that. I live right beside Butters.
I'm looking for a mechanic. Can you tell me how to get to the auto garage?
Oh, that's General
The Wizard King
Disarray.
says I'm too ginger to be one of the humans, but Paladin Butters lets me be his squire on the sly.
Paladins seek justice for all races.
Ah!
Why? So, I just beat up a lot of kids. Yeah. At a moment I'm gonna feel bad about it. Oh hey! It's a South Park sign.
Sorry, but we can't be friends until you have more friends.
Okay. I get that. So is this Greg's house? Okay, if this Greg's house, it's all fine. Oh, it's Jimmy's garage. Yeah, Jimmy's house key. We need Jimmy's house key. I don't know whose house that actually is.
To get the stick of truth, we must recruit the Warriors 3.
Yeah, we're almost there. So, I'm traumatized. Kid, do you know that your mother is doing there?
I'm actually faster at Facebook messaging than I am at speaking. Here, this'll just go a lot faster if I friend you.
Yeah, I'm traumatized right now. So what I saw was like short saying I saw a naked woman, but I didn't expect it. I think we're almost there. Is this Stan's house? This must be Stan's house.
You looking for Craig?
Yeah.
He can't play. He's in detention. Something about flipping off the principal.
We gotta get to the other guys first. Something stinks like human.
That's rude, actually. Stinks like human. Are you racist? I don't like racists. Wanna fight?
I'm gonna beat the shit out of you.
I'm gonna beat the shit out of you, buddy.
Hey, I blocked it.
Okay, let's do this. Get a
Hey,
priest.
Boosh.
I think I need to take down the priest first. So let's do that with the
Let's
bow
go,
of
asshole.
sucking.
Hey,
He is already wounded, so that's the thing. So Hammer of Justice or Hammer of Storms? I'm gonna do Hammer of
That sucks.
Storms. I'm curious what it is.
feel my righteous fury.
Oh, it's less strong than I expected. He's already dead. So but Butter is not a strong buddy. Yeah, you're not gonna get away, priest.
That didn't count.
Oh, I'm bleeding. Do I have a revive potion or something? Yeah, I'm thinking about Pokemon. Oh yeah, I have a type revive potion. But I'm actually hoping on a stronger, stronger companion. Oh no! I see. Oh, I had to use it on me. That's a shame.
There you go, Al.
Okay, actually, Butters is not really strong to fight with, but is really strong for healing. The map isn't that big, but wow, I like it. Here's this map. Here's the map. Token would be the closest person, and then Tweak. Okay, so let's do that.
There's some weirdo hanging out at the public storage. I'm not going back there.
Yeah.
Well. Well, hey, Officer Butt Baby.
That's Butt Brady! Wait,
He can spell. After
I
a
used
while.
to be sad, but I found Jesus at the church.
Okay, that's good to know. What I'm figuring out is that you don't see Barbara Eddy in the further series. Oh well, yeah, what are you doing about it? What is that thing on top? Is that like a sonar or something? I don't know. I'm gonna go to the bank! Okay.
Okay, this is a stick-up. Put all the money in a bag or I'll fucking kill each and every one of you. Oh, hey, all right, Benny. How's it going? Just showing the new kid around.
Hi, Butters.
Good to see you too, Butters. Thanks for checking
What
in.
the fuck?
Stop staring at me. It's creepy.
Okay. Like, how do we get in there? Okay. I know what's gonna happen. Oh, yeah. He's gonna say...
Welcome to the Bank of South Park. Would you like to invest money with us today? Wise move, young man, and a bold first step towards your financial future. We'll just take that money and employ significant leverage using computer-assisted high-frequency trading and index fund rebalancing to buy ahead of certain stock movements, and it's gone!
I knew it! Oh, I really lost my money. Yeah, that's embarrassing. Can I have my money
Welcome
back?
to the Bank of South Park. Would you like to invest money? Sorry, kid. Come back when you have some money to invest.
Yeah. Okay. I knew that was gonna happen. In the series, there was this moment where everybody in South Park lost this money because of a bank error. Yeah. Okay. So the closest one is like what?
This here is the marketplace. This is where heroes can come for adventuring gear, nose jabs, and abortions. Who the fuck are you?
What is he doing here in the back? Okay, whatever. Ooh, look at that. Could I? No, I'm not able to shoot it. At least not from here. So will I be able to? Oh yeah. Again, what is that thing? What is the thing? Go with the thing. Okay. Can I have some money from the... Yeah! Can I have some money from the parking meter? Okay.
Hi! Did you accidentally get someone pregnant?
I'm 8!
I could swear I heard a voice coming up from the sewers. It said something like, Hody how.
Mr. Hanky! I love Mr. Hanky. I love this guy. Howdy ho!
This movie is really sweet. Too bad you guys can't see it.
Oh, really?
The stick is ours!
Okay.
Oh, it's on!
Another battle.
Suck it!
Let's go.
You're straight fishing, Sid.
You're a son of a bitch. You son of a bitch. Yeah, take that. Take it like a good boy.
By the hammer of butters! No, no,
Ouch.
no!
It's a lot of damage. Well, I have a lot of protection already. Oh, he's ripples. Doesn't that mean that he's like... Okay. I'm gonna take a strong health potion. Okay, and now, Butters, use your
Nobody's got
hammer
the
thingy.
paladin!
What? Yes, you can do special one? Okay, I think I'm gonna have to take a lot of potions for this. Okay, now Elvis Watchman. When did he stop reposting? Ooh, I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead. Oh, I have only one more potion.
That sucks!
Don't tell me.
Hurry up!
Okay. So,
Man, that was just sad.
it's game over. The Mormons. The Mormons are in heaven. Let's play a bit further.
Coming
Be
this
quiet!
Damien!
classic film that changed America.
I am Damien, the Antichrist, the son of Satan, and I have never witnessed a thing as hideous and vile as the one you mortals call Rob Schneider.
All the guns have been digitally changed to walkie-talkies, and the word terrorist has been changed to hippie.
Oh!
This November, Adam Sandler shits in your eyes, ears, and mouth. It's Adam Sandler in Rated R.
Excuse you! Huh!
Jim Carrey has a bunch of turds in his apartment.
Oh my god.
It's Jim Carrey in whatever, you'll pay to go see it. You, July 12th.
Oh, it's so stupid.
Rob Schneider is a somewhat
Okay.
Yeah. You have to prove your maturity to see this movie, and you can't because you're not a
Hey,
sufficient age.
over here!
Seriously? Seriously? Hello, Al
Don't
Gore.
worry, I'm not here to hurt you. It's me, Al Gore! You know, Al Gore, I'm super important.
No,
All right,
you're
look,
not.
I've detected
Not
some
anymore.
very strange activity in this area. I believe we are dealing with Man-Bear Pig! Yes, the
Oh,
Man-Bear
no,
Pig. I know you're scared, but I need help.
Yeah.
Take these and place them in the locations specified on the Man-Bear map, Pig. And now I'm
Man-Bear
going
map.
to make you my friend on Facebook. This is very prestigious. You have my email now, but don't give it out to anybody. I'm super serial. Hurry! We must know if Man-Bear
serial.
Pig is here or not.
No. He doesn't have any
Douchebag,
friends.
we aren't really being good teammates here. Can we get back to the quest?
Yes, here. We're about Tweak.
Welcome to Tweak Coffee. Coffee made with ingredients supplied by local organic suppliers. It's local coffee, brewed locally. Tweak? Tweak! Have you picked up the fresh local ingredients?
Not yet, Dad. I'm still trying to do all my chores.
Well, hurry up, son. The family business is
Too much
dying
pressure!
on you.
Too much pressure! Too much pressure! Ah!
Hello there. If you're looking for Tweak, he's in the back room, unattended. Unattended. Like a pristine meadow known only to the wild horses that graze there. Would you like to try some coffee? It's fresh, like a...
Nope, I don't want to try coffee.
You should try some coffee. It gives you that edge you need to stay focused at school.
Yeah, it's not... That's not healthy for the school. What? Oh, there's Terrence and Philip stuff in it. Okay. Employees only. Okay.
Now? The guy's
Yeah.
leaving now? Well, there's no way, man. There's way too much to do. How am I supposed to do all
Whoa,
this?
wait.
You!
Relax.
Could you go get the 4 o'clock delivery for me? If you do, I can finish here and then I'll still have time to play. Please, would you? It's at Kenny's house, like always. You give them this, they'll give you the delivery.
Okay.
How am I supposed to do all of this? There's no way, man. Starbucks
Yeah.
has like 8 employees. Here it's just me.
Okay. I take the spoon. Oh. Can I walk over here? Nope, that's closed.
More coffee.
I need
Need
the
more
passkey.
coffee.
Yeah, you should stop giving him coffee. Now. Let's do this good thing for him.
have a secret base, but I've never seen it.
A secret base, you say? That's interesting. Okay, it's a storage unit. So, we have done a lot this episode. We found the House of Greg. He can't go because he is in detention. And we visited Tweak Bros Coffee. And now we have to do another challenge for Tweak. So, we're gonna do that in the next episode because it's gonna be a bit of a long playthrough at the moment. So, I hope you enjoyed it. I see you all in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe. And as I said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!